Come test drive the 2018 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, 8 speakers, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.